Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's AI Minute Talks is all about the incredible impact of artificial intelligence on e-commerce. AI is transforming the way we buy and sell goods online, and in this video, we'll explore 4 ways it's revolutionizing the industry. There isn't an industry in the world that is immune to the influence of artificial intelligence, AI. From virtual reality, VR, gaming systems, to AI robots in industrial manufacturing, the development of AI technology is revolutionizing the way we interact with the world. But e-commerce is especially susceptible to AI disruption, as learning technologies and algorithms are currently transforming the way we buy and sell goods online. Not only can AI perform the tasks we previously did manually, but it can also optimize the customer experience and provide retailers with the information they need to make informed business decisions. Here are 4 ways artificial intelligence is transforming e-commerce. 1. AI copywriting. AI copywriting is revolutionizing how brands create marketing copy. AI tools can generate copy, social media content, and more using advanced AI language models, making it a fixture of e-commerce. 2. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Chatbots and virtual assistants provide 24/7 support, interpreting voice-based interactions with shoppers and offering personalized assistance. 3. Personalization. AI delivers a personalized experience through product recommendations, improving the customer journey. 4. Inventory management. AI's predictive analytics enhance inventory management, making it more efficient. E-commerce brands are increasingly using AI to improve customer experiences and gain a competitive edge. If you want to know more about this, please check out the description and the pinned comment below. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you in the next video.